Unveiling the mystery, drones, UFOs, and their impact on mental health. Picture this: mysterious drones hovering in the night sky, unidentified flying objects causing a whirlwind of speculation, and whispers of extraterrestrial encounters flooding the news. This surge of unexplained occurrences has not only lit up social media timelines, but also ignited a wave of unease. With each new headline, the line between fact and fiction becomes blurrier, creating an environment where misinformation spreads like wildfire. For some, these events are thrilling mysteries. For others, they trigger anxiety and fear. Why does uncertainty hit so hard? Human minds crave answers, and when they remain elusive, worry fills the void. Speculation and conspiracy theories can magnify stress and make us feel powerless. Fear can lead to panic attacks, insomnia, or irrational worries, especially in a digital age where every rumor feels urgent. It's not the phenomena themselves, but their uncertain and ambiguous nature that weighs heavily on our mental health. Let's take a closer look at the role of social media. A single unverified drone sighting can spark widespread panic when paired with sensational headlines. Algorithms feed into anxiety, showing us only more of the same, amplifying our fears. But how can we tell what's real? Misinformation thrives in moments of chaos. Photoshopped images, exaggerated witness accounts, or out-of-context explanations spread faster than the truth. This leaves people overwhelmed, unsure whom or what to trust, which destabilizes emotional balance further. So how do we cope? First, take a deep breath. The unknown doesn't have to control you. Filter your news sources, sticking to legitimate outlets to avoid the anxiety spiral caused by rumors. Keep your focus on facts, not sensationalized theories. Practice mindfulness approaches like meditation or deep breathing to stay grounded. Speaking with a trusted friend or therapist can also offer reassurance. Turning off notifications and stepping away from screens may help reset mental clarity, especially during overwhelming news cycles. It's okay to be curious about drones and UFOs, but stay rational. Ask critical questions. What's the evidence? Are reputable agencies commenting? Governments and researchers are working on analysis, but until then, avoid falling prey to wild conclusions. Skepticism isn't about ignoring phenomena. It's about waiting for clearer explanations before jumping to fear-driven reactions. This mental shift can significantly reduce anxiety and help you approach the unknown with a healthier mindset. Uncertainty is part of everyday life. Building resilience can act as your shield against fear. Establish routines that bring a sense of control, like exercise, balanced eating, or hobbies. Connecting with others can remind you that you're not alone in your concerns. Educating yourself about cognitive biases can also help. Your mind tends to exaggerate threats because it's wired for survival. Recognizing such patterns can empower you to take a more balanced view during confusing times. Mysterious drones and UFO talk may grab headlines, but your well-being matters most. Remember, fear thrives on the unknown, and clear, rational thinking can help you cut through the noise. Focus on what you can control: your emotional response, your media consumption, and your mindset. Take a step today. Share credible information. Talk to friends about their feelings. Subscribe to mental health resources for support. Together we can counter fear with knowledge and compassion. Stay curious but grounded. The truth will emerge in time. Let's face uncertainty with confidence, not fear.